This is the Alchemy Workshop, and this is just a quick video of a quick tip I recently learned. I saw someone post this on a Facebook page, I believe, for knife making. Yeah, it's a pretty good idea. Really good idea. I still got to set it up properly. I'm kind of searching. I know I have some old speakers I was going to throw out. So if you have an old speaker, pull the magnet off of that or get a magnet. I've got one of these little cheap fishing magnets just to show it as an example. And what he did is he put a magnet underneath his grinder for metal dust collection, which seemed like a great idea. And then someone in the comments stepped it up a notch. Take yourself a Ziploc bag, throw that magnet in there, and then mount your magnet somewhere under your device. And that's already pulling off some of that metal dust. But the idea is a bigger magnet, of course, is going to be better. That's going to collect a lot of that metal dust. I do have a vacuum port, but it doesn't work that great, to be honest. Oh, I'll just clean off the small, hard to get pieces too. And being in the plastic bag, it's a lot easier to just clean that crap right off the magnet. So that is a pretty cool. I'm going to have to search for a bigger magnet. I know I have some old speakers I can tear one out of and just mount it right here under it. I saw some people suggesting, oh, you're collecting all that metallic dust. You could use it for like canister Damascus or something. I don't think that's such a great idea. I guess the metal, when it gets that hot, it's going to lose a lot of the carbon. Maybe there's something you can do with it, though. If anyone has done something with those metal dust collections, let me know in the comments below. I'd be very interested. But that'll, because I mean, anyone grinding anything metal, you'll quickly realize that the dust collection from the metal is a pain in the butt, and it can be a fire hazard. So that is a cool little hack I learned on dust collection. Thanks for watching.